Hey folks, Alan Mandic, the HotRodHippie here, coming to you with a special announcement just for you folks. This is me announcing my Patreon account, patreon.com/HotRodHippie. So what's a Patreon account? A Patreon account is a membership service that allows you to directly support the content creators, the artists, the creators and creatives that you wish to support directly. This is not paying through percents of a cent of ad revenue like views do on YouTube. This is you directly supporting the creator. Even if it's just $1 a month, that really helps out in the long-term scheme of things. On the HotRodHippie channel, I create videos specifically about metal shaping, cars, wiring, all different aspects of custom automotive stuff, custom fabrication, custom motorcycle stuff we're getting into, all kinds of car culture. I try to create the best image I can for you of the custom automotive world so you can do this for yourself, whether you're restoring a car, building a custom car, or just like to play around with some metal, or just watch me wave around and talk to a camera. You can do that on the HotRodHippie channel. Up until 2019, the HotRodHippie YouTube channel has been entirely self-funded. And believe me, I've done my taxes. That is not a cheap endeavor. So I'm just looking for ways to expand this, to diversify and bring you the content you want to see. YouTube ad revenue does not add up the way people think it does, especially for smaller creators such as myself. I'm at the point where I want to grow this. I want to show you more of that laundry list of videos that I have lined up, those content that I want to show you folks, but I need to try and expand and grow a little bit to do so. That's where I need your help. I need your help to go ahead and expand this, grow this, and bring you the content you're asking for. There will be perks to being a patron. At this moment, I can't promise anything other than discounts on merchandise when I launch the merch store in 2019. That will be happening, t-shirts, stickers, and such. So I can definitely offer you a discount on that stuff when that occurs. And also giveaways. When I do giveaways, patrons will automatically be signed up for said giveaway without having to do anything more. And they have the potential to be maybe included in that giveaway more than once as a result of being a patron. So that is a perk I can promise you right here, right now. Those will be happening more in 2019. So go ahead and check out patreon.com/HotRodHippie to support the channel. Help me bring you the content that you want to see. Give it a chance, give me a chance. Thanks for checking this video out, folks.